Hi, my name is Ronald Onyango. I am a solicitor of the Supreme Courts of England and Wales. Thank you for joining my channel. Today, I want to talk about, and it's a caution to very many migrants who are currently falling victims of the international scams that are going on and taking place in different corners. The buying and selling of COS licenses is causing a major problem. I have dealt with many migrants who are in precarious positions that they do not know how to unravel themselves from it. I mentioned this with a lot of sadness that a lot of money is being wasted and spent by migrants, of course, at the expense and the benefit of the agents who are extorting and exploiting their situation, their vulnerability, and their understandably desire to move to the UK to take advantage of the employment opportunities, medical opportunities, and the education system. It's understandable. But let's just step back and approach this issue of wanting to migrate at any cost with caution. I have seen very many, and this week alone I've dealt with three. One particular migrant seemed to have made payments in excess of £15,000, another £20,000, another £8,000. In another interesting twist, one of them found themselves attached to a dependent who they did not know about. They had a marriage certificate, which they were apparently asked to sign, that they're married to somebody else. The agent is obviously charging them a fee and charging the dependent a fee, double profiting and risking the lives and the future of these young youths who are only trying to make their lives better. The particular person has since discovered that the particular sponsor is under investigation. And this will happen to very many sponsors. In those circumstances, the license will either be revoked, suspended, or cancelled. And if they're cancelled, revoked, or suspended, depending on the circumstances, the COS license automatically lapses, or in some cases, given 60 days if they were not party to the foul play that has resulted to the cancellation, suspension, or revocation. I want to make it abundantly clear to very many unsuspecting migrants who are being duped by agents, some of them posing as travel agents and travel and tourism companies. And I don't say this that all of them do that. It's a small number that are really tarnishing and soiling that image of that industry. They are extorting people by demanding the money and consequently bringing these people to the UK in the false pretense that there will be assigned job opportunities which do not exist. A lot of them are being forced to live as destitutes, homeless, and relying on donations because they cannot afford to maintain themselves. I want to urge the very many unsuspecting people from all parts of African countries or migrant populations from wherever corner that they may be coming from. Whilst it is important to be ambitious and want to improve your life, do it the right way. Do not be part of the scams. Do not tender to the immigration false documents, because this will only affect your future prospects. Even if the agent submits those documents on your behalf, you are ultimately responsible. It is your application. And I say this with a lot of passion, wanting to genuinely help my fellow Africans and migrants who want to migrate and explore and better their lives, and it's fantastic. But do it the right way. There are many opportunities available. And you'll be asking me, Ronald, give us a solution. Yes, there are solutions. You don't have to do that. There are very many solutions and avenue paths you can explore and achieve the same objectives of being able to migrate, as an example, to the UK and pursue your dreams without resorting to paying those kind of monies and being duped. People have sold their plots and lands and family assets only to resort here with no jobs and become homeless. It is depressing. A good example, you can pursue the self-sponsorship. Use the money rather than paying the agents. Use the same money to set up your own business. Under the skilled migrant workers, there is an option for you to set up your own business and become your own sponsor. Find a legitimate business that you can pursue, that you want to extend to the UK. We will guide you through it and become your own sponsor. That is a much more viable route, that is more sustainable, and will get you better results, as opposed to risking deportation and living in destitute. I hope this is helpful, and please do not fall victim to this. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Please like, share, and comment on this to others who may also benefit from the